I'm back making another YouTube video. I hate to admit it, but last week I actually made 2 YouTube videos, but I did not send them out because I just felt like they weren't good enough, and I know that's the wrong attitude, and I'm here committed. I don't know if you like getting these YouTube videos or not, but I know that they do a lot for me. I felt inspired to establish this months ago, to establish constant communication with my clients, with my Allstate family, with my customers, and it has been difficult. It just press record and start talking. It doesn't seem like it's that difficult, but yet it is. So I did make 2 YouTube videos, and I did not post them because I created stories and I kind of talked myself out of it. But I'm making a YouTube video today, and I'm sharing this one with you all. And I know that there's a lot of talk, and I wanted to clarify about an announcement that Allstate came out with yesterday. It's 15% off of your auto premiums for the month of April and May. With Allstate, nobody really knows how long this is going to last, so they just figured let's just go out 60 days from now and at least provide a little bit of relief. So Allstate's committing $600 million in reduction in insurance premiums. That's, across the country. But so for me, it's like $35 off per month. So just 15% off of your premiums. So to most people, it's $20, $30. It's maybe not like hundreds and hundreds of dollars, but it's something. And I think that it's a step in the right direction. I know I've had other friends of mine that are agents at other insurance, State Farm and other insurance, and they're calling me, hey, what's Allstate doing? And, tell me more about this. And kind of like, it's great that Allstate is leading by example and at least doing something. So in addition to so you don't have to apply for that. You don't have to request that. If you are an Allstate customer in the United States or Canada, you will automatically receive a 15% credit. You're not going to get a check in the mail or a deposit into your account or anything like that. It'll just subtract it from your monthly premium if you have an auto policy. Doesn't extend to motorcycle or boat or homeowners. It's just simply auto insurance policies. So that's great. We'll take it, right? Every little bit helps. In addition to the 15% off, you also will receive identity theft for free for the rest of 2020 and some other benefits. Download the Allstate app. Just do a search for Allstate, download the app. The app is really quite amazing, the technology. Just as an example, if you don't have the app already, if you have roadside, most of you do automatically have roadside included in your policy. And let's say you break down, dead battery, fuel delivery, lockout, towing, anything that you might need. And let's say you're kind of in a foreign city, or you're out in the mountains or on the side of the road. You don't really know exactly where you are. Well, you press roadside from the app, and it'll send GPS coordinates to the tow truck driver, and they'll know how to find you. So that's just one example. You can print ID cards. If you file a claim, you can take pictures just to speed up the process. If you're tech savvy and whatnot, you can take pictures. You can do all kinds of cool stuff on the app. So I definitely recommend downloading that if you haven't done so already. But yeah, 15% off, we'll take it. And there's also special pay plans that you're welcome to call us and learn more about, myself or Carolina or Alicia. Basically, what I would recommend with the special pay plans is everybody is at a different place individually and with your families. But I know for me personally, I still do have some cash available to pay my bills, and I'm really trying not to, my mortgage, everybody, where my Allstate office, the lease, everybody is offering all these options to push my payments off without penalties, and that's nice. The challenge is that, man, in a couple of months, assuming we get through this and everything's back on track, now I'm gonna have all these bills that I kind of pushed off. Now, if you're out of money and you gotta just put food on the table, it is what it is. So you gotta take advantage and you have to apply for the special pay plans. But I would just, it's your own individual decision. I just know for me, until I really run out of cash, I don't want to just kick the can down the road, because I know that eventually I'm still going to have to pay all these bills. Like, nobody's just forgiving that I know of any of the major bills and things that are out there. And I would just a reminder is, if you're anything like me, I still drive my car every day. I don't do a lot of driving. I try to stay home as much as possible. But most people are still using their cars. We're driving a lot less. That's the reason why Allstate is giving back $600 million, is because less people are driving, which equates to less claims. It's just the mathematical fact. The more you drive, the more chances you'll have of having an accident, filing a claim. So now that people aren't driving as much, the money that they would have saved, they're just giving back. And hopefully other insurance companies step up to the plate as well, and they can offer something to their customers. But as an Allstate customer, you are definitely entitled to that benefit. But most people are still driving their cars every day. And you really make a bad situation a lot worse if for some reason you cancel the insurance and you're still driving the insurance. If you have a lien holder, if you're driving the car, it's critical to keep that car insured. So call us, let us know if you would like to learn more about special pay plans or anything that might come down the road. So, and again, just my thought to you guys is I've talked to you guys before about hesitating, and that simulation that I shared with you guys, that experience that I had when I hesitated. And last week I did hesitate. Like I said, I made 2 YouTube videos and I just didn't think they were good enough, and so I just didn't post them, and I'm realizing that I should have done that. And so where are you hesitating in your life? Today I had the impression to send my dad a text message, like a really heartfelt, like not just, hey, just thinking about you, have a great day, but like a really, like the things that I've appreciated him and throughout my life kind of a thing. So I spent 10 minutes on it, on sending him like a really nice text that he could read, and I know he's already responded back that really meant a lot to him. So I would just encourage you to think of something you can do for somebody else. Share a text message, a kind word, something nice that you can share to others. I know it'll brighten your day, it'll brighten your spirits, and I know that we're going to get through this together, united. We have so much strength that when we come together.